Today we are learning to think and act like artists. Today we are taking our sketches and transferring them onto a styrofoam printmaking plate, like this one. When the printmaking plate is finished, we will be able to pull prints using the brayer, ink, and tray. If you did not make a sketch, you can draw one today on paper, or you may be able to draw it directly onto the sheet of styrofoam. To make the styrofoam printmaking plate, you will need a sketch, a sheet of styrofoam, 2 short pieces of tape, and a ballpoint pen. First, put 2 pieces of tape on the side of the styrofoam. The tapes must be on the same edge. I like to have the tape half on the styrofoam and half of it hanging over the edge. Next, turn the styrofoam over to the front. Take your sketch and align it onto the styrofoam and tape it down. It should be able to open and close like a book. Do that now and then stop. Now trace your sketch with a ballpoint pen. Press very hard while you trace. Pressing will create grooves in the styrofoam. You need the grooves to be deep. The ballpoint pen works well for this because the tip is metal, which helps push in the grooves. Sometimes if you listen very carefully while you're tracing, you can hear the paper ripping. If you get a hole in your paper like this, don't worry, just keep tracing. Sometimes that happens. While you're tracing, you can check your progress by opening your page like a book, and you'll be able to see grooves appearing in the styrofoam. You want the grooves to be deep. You can run your finger over them and feel the depth of the grooves. Don't write words on your styrofoam. Here is why. Words print backwards. When you ink the plate and pull the print, your words will print backwards. So don't write words on your styrofoam. Remember to trace your sketch with a ballpoint pen and press very hard. Trace every last detail on your sketch. When you're done, you can open it like a book and you should be able to see all of the grooves on your styrofoam. Do that now and then stop. When you have traced everything, our next job is to press the grooves in deeper. Draw it directly into the grooves and press hard. You can fold the paper back and then take your ballpoint pen and press hard in all of the grooves. You'll be able to see them better because they will have the pen ink in the grooves. And you'll be able to feel them better because they'll be pressed in deeper. We need to press in every single groove. It might look like this when it's done. You can also add details, background, and textures like fur or scales directly onto the styrofoam. When you are done tracing in the grooves and pressing hard, please turn it over and write your name lightly on the back. For your name, you don't have to press hard. Do that now and then stop. Press hard.